Hello guys, Quick Maths Academy here, and today we are going to be talking about ratios. Very simply put, a ratio is something like this. Let's say we have a ratio of 2 to 1, 2 to 1, okay? And 2 represents water and 1 represents wine, okay? That means you have double the water than the wine, okay? So in each 3 portions of liquid, okay, you have 2 portions that are water and you have 1 portion that is wine, okay? That's what means 2 to 1 ratio, okay? In this case, double the water than the wine, okay? Of course you can have a lot of different ratios. You can have 3 to 1, you can have 7 to 1, you can have whatever to 1, okay? It depends of the exercise, it depends of what they are asking. So let's go over some exercises. Give the ratio 16 to 240 in its simplest form. Okay. To put this simple, okay, this ratio 2 to 1 in here is the same as having 4 to 2, right? I have the double of water than the wine, right? And it's the same also that having 8 to 4. Okay, so all those numbers, they represent the same ratio, okay? Now in this case, the simplest form is the lesser, the smaller numbers, isn't it? So I can divide the 16 by 2 and it gives me 8. And if I divide my 240 by 2, it gives me 120, okay? And I can do it again. If I divide my 8 by 2, I will have 4. If I divide my 120, I will have 60. And I can do it again. 2 to 30. And again, 1 to 15. Okay? And this is the simplest I can be, 1 to 15. So that means that in each 16 parts of something, one is something and the other it's another thing, okay? One part something, the other part another thing, okay? One part, 15 parts of other thing. Okay, so the answer is 1 to 15. In a class of 26 children, 12 are boys and 14 are girls. Okay, what is the ratio of boys to girls? Give your answer in the simplest form. Okay, what is the ratio? Okay, in this case, I have 26 children, okay? And they are telling 12 are boys and 14 are girls. So my ratio is 12 to 14. Okay, and in total, I will have the 26 on top, okay? Of course, they ask for the simplest form, so I will reduce and I will have 6. If I divide the 12 by 2, I will have 6. If I divide the 14 by 2, I will have 7, okay? And this is the simple I can go because 7 is a prime number, okay? I cannot go further dividing. Okay, 6 to 7, there you have it. In another class, the ratio of boys to girls is 2 to 3. Let me see. 2 to 3. There are 25 children in the class. How many girls are there? Okay. So we have so we have 2 to 3, 2 of boys, 2 of boys, and 3 of girls. Okay, that means that 2 in each 5 are boys, okay, and 3 in each 5 are girls, okay, again because the 2 can add to the 3 and gives you the total. So 2 in each 5 are boys, 3 in each 5 are girls. There are 25 children in the class. How many girls there are? Okay, this is the fraction that represents the ratio of girls, okay? So the only thing I have to do is to multiply 3/5 by 25, okay? And that will give me the number of girls, okay? 3 times 25 will be 75 divided by 5, and 75 divided by 5 will be 15, okay? So how many girls are there? 15. There you have it. We can project the same train of thought to find out the number of boys. Let's do it, just for fun. Okay, to find out the boys, what I do is 2/5 times 25, okay, and that will be 50 divided by 5. That will give me 10. So I will have 10 boys, 15 girls, and as you can see, 10 plus 15 will give you the 25 children in the class, okay? Let's move to the next one. Brian is making a fruit punch. He mixes apple juice, pineapple juice, and cherryade in a ratio of 4 to 3 to 7. What fraction of the fruit punch is pineapple juice? Okay, pineapple is the second one, so is this 3 here, okay? This is the pineapple. Okay, so 3 out of something are pineapple. How many are in total? Okay, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14. So in total we have 14. And of this 14, how much is the pineapple? 3. Okay, so what fraction of the fruit punch is pineapple? 3/14. There you have it. Okay, this is the pineapple. We can apply the same train of thought to for example, to apple juice. To apple juice, my ratio, what do I have? I have 4 in each 14 is apple juice. And cherryade, 7 in each 14, it's cherryade, okay? They only ask for the pineapple, so our answer is 3/14. It makes 700 milliliters of fruit punch. What volume of each drink does he use? Okay, what volume? Well, now that we know the total of the drink that was made, which was 700 milliliters, and we have our ratios. We know what part of this 700 is each fruit. Okay, how do we do that? Well, it's the same. We just have to multiply each fraction by the 700 milliliters, and that will return me each fruit individually. So for example, let's start for the apple juice, and the apple juice, we know our ratio is 4/14. okay, let's see, apple juice, we know that our ratio for apple juice is 4/14, but we also know that 4/14 is the same as having 2/7. okay, I just divide by 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. And now that I have this fraction, I just multiply this number for 700 milliliters. Okay, and the result will be the quantity of apple juice. Okay, that in this case, well, it should be 2 times 7, 14. So I will have 1400 over 7. So this will give me 200 milliliters. Okay, and that's for the apple juice. Now let's apply the same thought to the second fruit. The second fruit is pineapple. My fraction for the pineapple is 3 over 14. Okay, 3 over 14. And I just have to multiply my 3 over 14 by 700 milliliters. Okay, so 3 times 7 is 21. 21 over 13. 2100 over 14. Yep, and that will give me 150 milliliters. Okay, there you have it. And now, well, the last one is the easiest one, because we know that 7 over 14 is half of the fruit punch that we did. Okay, 7 over 14 is the same as having 1 over 2. Okay, and 1 over 2, if we multiply by the 700 milliliters, what we have 700 divided by 2, which is 350 milliliters. Okay, so our answers here: for the apple juice we have 200, for the pineapple juice we have 150, and for the cherry juice we have 350. And there you have for this fruit punch. Alright, okay, I hope you enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Cheers, see you in the next one. Bye bye.